Today's video is how to delete your WhatsApp account. Deleting your WhatsApp account isn't difficult, and although it may take Facebook up to 90 days to delete your data, doing so will prevent them from taking any more. It might also encourage your friends and family to move to a more private messaging app, although you should check that they do a chat backup in case they want to access their old messages at a later date. So, what happens when you delete your WhatsApp account? When you delete your account, a few things will happen. Most of these are permanent, as WhatsApp will remove everything from its servers. However, you can get messages back if you have a local backup of the data. It will start to remove your account from WhatsApp servers. It will erase your message history. It will move you from any WhatsApp groups, and it will delete any backup on Google Drive. So to do it, go to your WhatsApp, then tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Then go to Settings, and in Settings, go to Account, and here, delete my account. Then you should enter your phone number before you tap delete my account. So just press the delete my account to confirm you want to delete your WhatsApp account. So after deleting your account, WhatsApp will remove all your message history, group, contacts, and personal information attached to it. Although anything that is already on your phone will stay there, and Facebook might keep some of the data it already has, WhatsApp can collect any new information as the account no longer exists. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!